Hello everyone, Kuya Wils nga pala and welcome back ulit sa ating channel. And for today's video, dahil nga po kakatapos ng final migration ng CITI branded card to UNIONBANK system nitong March 25, 2024, tuturuan ko po kayo kung paano mag-add or link ng CITI credit card to UNIONBANK online system. At yun na nga, CITI branded cards to UNIONBANK. Papakyawan lang natin ang konting history regarding this. Alam ko, 2021 umusbong yung balita regarding Citibank. And year 2022, doon na nga naganap yung acquisition ng Citibank by the UNIONBANK. And for this March 2024, naganap na nga yung final migration ng Citibank to UNIONBANK. Before the acquisition, may review na ginawa si PCC or Philippine Competition Commission, kilala bilang Country's Antitrust Authority na mandated under Philippine Competition Act to review mergers, acquisitions, and joint ventures of firms across all sectors that meet the threshold to ensure na itong deal na to ay hindi makakasama sa mga interest ng consumers or mga end users ng services. Bali yung takeover ng UNIONBANK sa Citibank covers nito yung consumer banking business of Citibank PH na kung saan includes yung mga credit cards, retail deposit, personal and unsecured loans, and asset management portfolio. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, UNIONBANK is a Philippine-owned commercial and retail bank by the Aboitiz Group. Sila lang naman yung mga BODs ng UNIONBANK. Bali, ipla-flash natin para makilala nyo sila. And among its subsidiaries are CITI Savings Bank Inc., First Agro-Industrial Rural Bank Inc., Bangko Kabayan Inc., UBX Philippines Corp., and UBP Investment Corp. Bali, ilalagay ko na din sa description box sa baba yung reference natin kung gusto nyong basahin. Ito yung under phcc.gov.ph or Philippine Competition Commission, yung press release nila. So, punta na tayo sa kung paano i-link or i-add talaga yung CITI branded cards sa UNIONBANK online system. So, ganito po yun.
Download UB App Essay, Apple App Store or Play Store. Huawei Store for free kung wala ka paying app.
Mag-sign up tayo to register our mobile number. After makapag-register, try natin mag-login with our login details. At dito, ilalagay natin o i-encode natin yung OTP na masisend sa mobile number natin na registered. After nyan, piliin natin si Add Account tsaka Add an Existing Account. After ma-add account, select account type. Balik dito, pipiliin natin si credit card. Kung credit card yung ililink nyo or ATM card, kung ATM card yung ililink po ninyo. After makapili ng account type, dito naman i-enter natin ng 16-digit credit card number natin sa online system ni UNIONBANK. After ma-input ng 16-digit credit card number, click Submit. After nyan, mag-require ulit siya ng OTP. So, i-type lang natin yung OTP na dumating sa registered mobile number po natin. At yun na nga, successful yung pag-add or link ng ating CITI branded card to UNIONBANK online system. So, yun lamang po, ganun lamang po kadali mag-link or mag-add ng CITI branded card sa UNIONBANK system. So, kung nagustuhan mo tong video na to, feel free to subscribe, like, and share mo na din. Huwag mo na din kalimutang i-hit ang bell button para maging updated ka pag may nilabas tayong mga bagong video tulad po nito. So paano ba yan? See you on my next video. Ingat po kayo and peace out!